Are you tired of spending too much money on groceries every week? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks on how to save money on groceries without sacrificing the quality of your meals. First things first, always make a list before heading to the grocery store. This will help you avoid buying items that you don't really need and avoid forgetting to pick items that you do need. Our second tip is to use your phone to compare prices of items. There are plenty of apps available that can help you find the best deals on groceries. You can also use your phone to check if there are any coupons available for the items you're planning to buy. Third, consider buying items in bulk. It may seem like you're spending more money at once, but in the long run, it can save you a lot of money. Just make sure that the items you're buying won't expire before you have a chance to use them. The fourth tip is to avoid pre-made meals. They may seem convenient, but they're often more expensive than making your own meals from scratch. Plus, you'll have more control over the ingredients and can make healthier choices. Next, always use your loyalty card at the checkout. This can give you access to exclusive discounts and promotions that are only available to cardholders. And lastly, consider using cash instead of a card. This can help you stay within your budget and avoid overspending on groceries. When you see how much money you have left in your wallet, you're less likely to make impulse purchases. So there you have it, some simple tips on how to save money on groceries. By following these tips, you can enjoy delicious meals without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching and happy grocery shopping. And, if you're ready to continue your journey to financial freedom, watch this video next and learn more tips on how to create more wealthy habits.